Grabe guys, umaabot na yung mga pangarap natin sa Harvard dahil lang sa mga error identification practices natin. Anyway, let's do another one today. The group of hikers were exhausted after the long trek through the mountains. Or is there no error? 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter A. Bakit? This is another classic example of subject-verb disagreement. Huwag kayong malilito dito sa hikers kasi hindi talaga ito yung subject natin. Ang legitimate subject natin dito is yung group. And as we know, itong group ay isang example ng collective noun. And again, collective nouns can be viewed as singular kung buong unit natin sila tinitignan, as a single unit natin sila tinitignan, or plural kung tinitignan natin yung individual members ng grupo. Sa konteksto ng sentence na to, tinitignan natin sila as one whole unit. Single unit sila, isang buong grupo na nagte-trek. So in this case, singular agreement yung gagamitin natin. Kaya dapat was exhausted. So again, ang tip is kapag may nakikita kayong ganito na collective noun tapos may prepositional phrase na kasunod or yung of phrase niya, huwag niya na lang pansinin tong sa of phrase niya. Tumingin na lang kayo lagi dun sa mismong collective noun. So, halimbawa, a group of players, a group of teachers, a team of scientists, pare-pareho lang yan. Tanggalin nyo na yung mga of phrase dun kayo sa collective noun tumingin.